So welcome to the third programming workout of mine of today. It will be 370 programming workout of mine. So let's get into it. Hello, supercomputer. How are you doing today? Good. I'm okay. I'm currently doing my I forgot to start the timer again. So currently I'm doing my 470 programming workout, and that consists of 5 minutes of typing and 25 minutes of exercise in any programming language. I'm doing Java today. Yeah, so I'm doing good. Well, what's that? It is a self-imposed torture. That's what it is. Didn't come from my head. I heard some programmer like few years ago telling about it, you know, like that you should like improve all things you are doing, and one of the things you are doing is typing a lot, right? So if you type faster, you will be maybe a better programmer. So I'm trying to improve my typing as well. Currently, I'm not worrying that much about my speed, but about the accuracy. Also, especially because I have this new keyboard. It's still, yeah, it's new to me. Yeah. So I'm trying, you know, like I have a lot of typos right now. So I'm working on that to improve it. I'm using this page, typing.io, and I prefer that over another ones because here you train the special characters which you type while programming. The other pages is normal text, and that is, it doesn't translate well to programming typing speed. It's different, little bit different things. What are you up to today? Oh, nice. Zero. But I have zero idea what I'm doing. Yeah, that's how I feel most of the time. It's exactly how I feel most of the time. Like, what am I doing? Everything is on fire. Top enter. Monkey C, monkey type. Okay. Okay, cool. 57, so I'm improving, that's good. And we are over with the typing. Our timer went off. So we will do 25 minutes of Java. And we are done reading the documentation for weak hash map. And well, from the perspective of what we should code in here, there's not much really. So the weak hash map compared to a hash map will lose its marbles. So let's say that here yes, but this is a weak hash map, and weak hash map and hash map is there's a difference, and that is if I have a new hash map, right, with a string as a key and string as a value. What? No, that's not what I want. I want extract something. What the fuck is this? What's the problem? Cannot resolve symbol put. Well, okay. Hash map. Hash map. Hash map equals this guy. And also I have a problem in here, typo. Here we go. Okay. So we do. Okay. Okay, so now it's good. So the weak hash map when a reference, a strong reference to a key will be lost, the entire entry will be discarded, right? So in a normal hash map, we can put hash map dot put, and we will say one this will be one value like that, right? So this will be key, that will be one value, and then we can do here put key and to value, and if we look at it in here, it will still contain it, and that's expected, right? We'll have that. So we have two key 2 value. What? Yeah, this is a little bit confusing, so I do, to me at least. So I will do this. Oh fuck. Insert that. And we'll replace this with that. Okay. Now if I run it. Yeah, okay, so you are confused. Yeah, so share code or whatever. Maybe we can have a look together at it. So we have this, and outside after the block, you know, we still have the two. This guy in here, but the weak hash map, that's different story, right? So let's say I put in a weak hash map, there will be weak key 1, and then we will have a weak value 1, right? And then inside of there, we will have, okay, so this I will delete, so escape, delete. Oh, and I forgot put, okay, and then in here I will change this to weak key 2, and this will be weak value 2, right? And but this reference kind of that does not exist. So if I print it out in here, it may happen that it will not be there. So let's see. It is there. Okay, so we will create a reference. So we say string key equals key 2. release the key. Now when I run it, okay. It's about cache with linked hash map. Okay. I'm not sure if I will be able to do that, but what's the problem? I'm also learning Java. Ah, do I do sleep? That will be sleep, and we will sleep for 3 seconds. And maybe now it will be garbage collected. There's a problem, unhandled exception, sure, so we will fix that with try catch. Yeah, right. And we just run it. Fuck, it's still there. Okay, so maybe I can do and I will try to garbage collect it. Fuck. So we try to wait for 10 seconds if the garbage collector will collect it meanwhile. Otherwise, we will say fuck it. Oh well, okay. So we will say fuck it and move on. It's clear, and it has the same thing as a hash map, the ordinary hash map. So set, get, and so on, so on. Fuck that. So that was the Spock is now following. Hey Spock, and welcome. So we did weak hash map and allow insertion order iterations. All right, so we will have a look at that. We'll create a class. Class will be, oh fuck, what was it? Linked hash map. Get hash map. Just that's the liquid main. And here, okay. So what's the deal with this guy? This class extend hash map. This class extends hash map and maintains a linked list for the entries in the map. In the order in which they were inserted. This allows insertion order iteration over the map. That is, when iterating a linked hashed map, the elements will be returned in the order which they were inserted. You can also create linked hashed map that returns its elements in the order which they were last accessed. Users of constructor support. This looks like the old constructors for that. We create a new attachment. So the string. I'll call it just map. Yeah, and I go to definition. Yeah, so what do we have here? We have constructor if make dash map insert. So we have five constructors. This guy, that guy, that guy, that guy. This is initial and takes the load factor. And the integer is 1, that's just the initial capacity. Rate empty. Initial capacity is 16 and load factor is 0.75. I still don't know what the load factor is. Takes a map. Okay. What about this guy? Load factor access or order ordering mode. True for access order, false for insertion order. Ah, okay. So we will try that thing. That thing is interesting on this guy. So this will be map access, and then we'll have another one, and this will be map. What was the other one? Access or insertion order. Okay. Sure. Here, oh, I should be doing the how do I get after, like, Shift E? No. How do I do it? And yay. Ah, let's see. So I'm here and do yay. Ah. Okay. I like it. I like it. Okay, so but we need to use the right constructor, right? So it will be the free ints. Load factor, initial capacity, initial load factor, and access order. Okay. So we go back here, and that will be initial capacity. We will do 6. Oh fuck. Fuck. Okay, this guy, that guy. Does it work now? Looks like it does. Okay. Good. So insert, and this will be 16 initial capacity, then 0.75, and then the access order, and we will say true, I guess. Escape, and this will be young inside this, and then I can do paste in here. Cool. And what's the problem in here? Cannot infer arguments. Okay, so that's okay. We say string. Okay. What's the next? Okay, insert string. Okay, good. So we did create that. And then the definition, which is access order, and there was a like quick documentation or something like that. Was it like? First of all, quick definition, Control Shift I, or quick documentation, Control Q. So Control Q, and but it's taken by. How do I do that in Vim? Probably don't. it. Okay. Control Q for visual block. Control Q. Ah, I see. Okay, but how do I do? It is parameters through access order. So this will be false. There we go. And now we can, so we will put the same thing inside of both, which will be lamp access order dot put, and we will say one. Why did I put in string? Let's put integer as a key. Or both. There. Here we go. Oh, I can do replace, right? How is that? Replace in Vim. How do I do that? Integer current. So we can try that, which is this and no, this G or no S. Let's say string replace with integer and GC. Okay, so oh, yes, 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 yes. Nice, good. And we are over the time limit, which, okay, good. So this is for this programming workout session.